Hi, I'm Dr. Phil, your authority for health and wellness solutions. And this is my wee dog, Willie. And we want to welcome you to the Live Long and Strong Journal. Have you ever had one of those moments that just blows you away? I certainly did recently. And it was with the results of my own live blood cell microscopy, with the before and after effects, using some amazing technology on what we've been talking about over the last couple of weeks from Germany, called magnetic resonance stimulation with the MRS 2000. The only thing I did for 8 minutes was just lay down on this device, what I like to call effectually my magic carpet, and the results of the video speak for themselves. Now, I consider myself a healthy, young, vibrant male, and as you can see, when you look at the before blood analysis, the red blood cells are moving around, but they're sticking together and clumping together and stretching quite a bit, and the cell membranes around the cells aren't that bright and vibrant. The white blood cells are the much larger clumps that don't really look very encapsulated. The small white dots moving around are what's called the platelets in our blood. So when we go to the after effect video, after 8 minutes of laying on the mat, the first thing we notice is improved circulation in the overall blood, and the sample looks less congested. The red blood cells are more open, not as sticky, and the outer walls appear brighter and bigger. Now, when we think about red blood cells, their outer membrane should be negatively charged, and thus they should repel each other. And this, of course, is very important for movement in the blood capillaries, where they have to become single and separated from each other. That way, the blood cells can normally pass through the capillaries without a problem in single file. And with this, the accomplishment of things like oxygen transfer, carbon dioxide removal, and nutrient exchange happens very easily. If the blood cells stick together, it really decreases the ability to carry the oxygen, and it's not conducive for the river of life in our bodies. Now, when we look at the white blood cells, on the after effects, they're much more active, they're larger, they're brighter, and they're shinier. And this means that they're able to function at more optimal levels, which also means that my immune system is working better, engulfing and neutralizing enemies such as bacteria. All of this simply means that oxygen is made more available in the bloodstream, which creates better circulation, allowing improved intracellular distribution of oxygen and nutrients in the cells, everywhere in the body. And of course, it also increased the transport of intercellular waste out of the cells and out of the body. Since life is in the blood, all these components must be considered and balanced in our lives for optimal health. The future of medicine is moving towards energy medicine. The easiest way to explain this is that when the body is given the proper tools to heal itself, it can do amazing things just as it was designed to do. This device has had huge personal benefits for myself and my family, and more recently, in the last year, we've been utilizing the magnetic resonance stimulation technology in our clinic, and our patients have had some amazing transformation, especially those with chronic illnesses and disease. And of course, other people that have had all kinds of issues that they've been plateauing with and getting nowhere for years and years. Suddenly, just like that, they start to feel better. And over time, they have more energy, they have more vitality, less pain, and of course, they become much happier and more vibrant human beings again. It's all about getting their lives back. If I have your attention on this, then you'll look forward to next week's video, explaining more about this technology and what it is, and how you can benefit for yourself and for your family and all your loved ones. I hope that you found this interesting, and I'll be sharing a lot more of this information on the technology as we keep seeking more and more positive results in both high-performance athletics for performance enhancement and in empowering people suffering from chronic diseases and illnesses that can get their lives back and live at their full potential again. Until next week, I'm Dr. Phil, and this is Wee Willie. Live long and strong.